Welcome to Vox Weather. Let's firstly turn back the clock on the satellite loop to Sunday afternoon when severe thunderstorms moved over parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga and over the highveld in the town of Lydenburg due to an orographic uplift and a strong updraft. They were battered with a severe hailstorm. I wanted to show you this terrifying video that Mariette shared on social media of hailstones larger than golf balls smashing the town on Sunday at about 4 p.m. Some of the hailstones were larger than 50 millimeters, and the town of Lydenburg suffered severe damages on Sunday. Are we expecting more extreme weather on Tuesday? Let's get into your forecast. Starting with your synoptic analysis, you can see we've got this cold front brushing the coastal areas of South Africa, bringing in cloud, cooler conditions and some light rain. And then due to an upper level trough as well as that ridging high pushing in moisture, we are expecting isolated thunderstorms to bubble up from the afternoon over parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, as well as the highveld, and later move over KwaZulu-Natal. It's another dry and hot to very hot day for the western parts of South Africa. Lots of high-level cloud moving over the Western Cape, and we're expecting an onshore southwesterly wind to blow with still a moderate to fresh southerly wind for the west coast. Cloudy at first as that cold front brushes the coastal areas for parts of the Western Cape, as well as along the southern coastline with an onshore southwesterly wind bringing in cloud and a slight chance of light rain with temperatures only around 20 degrees. Becoming cloudy in the Eastern Cape, and we're expecting mainly late afternoon as well as evening light rain for the coastal areas as well as the adjacent interior. A cool breeze blowing with maximum temperatures in the lower 20s. And then later, a ridging high behind the cold front will result in an onshore flow for KwaZulu-Natal. Southerly winds picking up with evening showers expected over the south. But due to the heat, we're expecting thunderstorms over the northern and eastern part. Becoming hot to extremely hot on Tuesday afternoon in Mpumalanga. Temperature soaring to 40 degrees in the Lowveld, and a few isolated thunderstorms expected from late afternoon. Temperatures also soaring above 40 degrees in the Lowveld of Limpopo, upper 30s for the Bushveld, and due to the heat as well as sufficient moisture, isolated thunderstorms might bring some relief to the heat. A partly cloudy, extremely hot, dry and windy day for Northwest, where runaway fires are at risk. It's also hot, dry and windy in the Northern Cape with a westerly wind becoming moderate to fresh. Therefore, runaway fires are also possible throughout the day and soaring to 37 degrees in Prieska. That westerly wind will also start to blow in the Free State, becoming dusty and hot with temperatures in the mid-30s. It's a partly cloudy and hot afternoon for Gauteng, soaring to 34 degrees in Pretoria with very isolated late afternoon thunderstorms possible. And then into Wednesday, still a westerly wind blowing over the central parts of South Africa. Light showers expected over the coastal areas. We're looking into Thursday, still a few more showers moving over the Eastern Cape, later reaching KwaZulu-Natal. And then after another hot day, isolated thunderstorms expected over the highveld, parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.